Railroad maintenance crews repairing pedestrian and industrial crossings have had to solve several challenges. These challenges have ranged from time constraints, material availability to do the job correctly, labor available at timely points during repairs, and adhering to safety procedures. Traditionally, railroad crews have had to remove the asphalt, gravel, and ballast that surround the crossing. Once removed, other materials had to be found that could quickly reopen the crossing in case of emergency. These materials range from steel plates to plywood. Steel plates are heavy and dangerous, while plywood is easily broken. Turtle Trax was designed in conjunction with several railroad maintenance managers, engineers, and safety managers to help solve these issues. The Turtle Trax product offers a safer, cost-effective, and flexible way to reopen a crossing during repair. In addition to these benefits, Turtle Trax has been designed to meet several safety protocols. One of these safety protocols is weight. The Turtle Trax product was molded so it can be safely lifted into place by a single maintenance crew member. Because Turtle Trax is molded from recycled HDPE, they not only carry a 50-year environmental warranty against rot, mold, mildew, and absorption, but they are sturdy, as evident here as we watch various vehicles crossing the Turtle Trax with ease.